Tagalog expressions using lang. Isa lang ang kapatid ko. I have only one sibling. Akala ko gutom ka. Bakit kalahati lang ang kinain mo kaninang tanghali? I thought you were hungry, but why you just ate half of your lunch? Dalawang estudyante lang ang pumasok noong Lunes. Only 2 students came last Monday. Kung nag-aral lang sana siya ng mabuti, naipasa niya sana ang pagsusulit. If he had just studied harder, he would have passed the test. Kakatapos ko lang maghugas ng pinggan. I've just finished washing the plate. Inaasahan ko lang na makikinig ka sa sasabihin ko. I only expect you to listen to what I have to say. Ikaw lang ang nakakaintindi sa akin. Only you can understand me. Kararating lang niya. He has just arrived. Ito lang talaga ang gusto kong gawin. This is just what I want to do. Kalalabas niya pa lang ng opisina. He's just walked out of the office. Nagbibiro lang ako. I'm just joking. Sandali lang at nandyan ako. Just wait a minute and I'll be there. Kasya lang yung sapatos sa akin. The shoes were the right size for me. Pwede kang sumama sa amin kung magpapakabait ka lang. You can come with us only if you behave. Manood ka lang dyan at huwag kang malikot. Just watch there and behave yourself. Kaunti lang. Just a little. Sandali lang. Just a moment. Naiinggit lang siya. She is just jealous. Kakaunti lang ang nakakabasa nito. Only a few could read this. Kakagising ko lang. I just woke up. May iwan na lang ako dito. I'll just stay here. Tatapusin ko na lang ito sa bahay. I'll just finish this at home. May hinihintay lang ako. I'm just waiting for someone or something. Ako lang ang nag-iisang anak. I am the only child. Sumagot ka lang kapag tinatanong ka. Answer only if you're being asked. Kukumpirmahin ko lang, may gusto ka ba sa akin? I would just like to confirm. Do you like me? Magtatrabaho ka ba o mangangarap na lang? Will you work or will you just dream? Siya lang ang dumalo sa pagdiriwang ng aking kaarawan. Only him came on my birthday party. Gusto ko lang siguraduhin na maayos ang lagay mo. I just want to make sure that you're okay. Huwag kang magsalita, makinig ka lang. Don't speak, just listen. Nagpahinga lang kami saglit. We just rested for a while. Magsabi ka lang. Just let me know. Nasa bahay lang ako buong araw. I'm just at home all day. Maglalakad lang ba tayo? Are we just going to walk? Napilitan ka lang ba? Did you just feel obliged? Ingat lang, baka masugatan mo ang puso niya. Just be careful, you may break her heart. Bakit hindi na lang kayo umalis? Why don't you just leave? Titigil lang ako kung mapatunayan mong mas magaling ka. I will stop only if you can prove you are better. Susubukan ko lang kung kaya ko. I'll just try if I can. Huwag kang mapanghusga. Magkaibigan lang kami. Don't be judgmental. We're just friends. Mag-isa lang akong umuwi. I go home alone. Sasabihan na lang kita. I'll just let you know. Hiniram ko lang ito sa kuya ko. I just borrowed this from my older brother. Tawagan mo lang ako kung may kailangan ka. Just call me if you need something. Masasayang lang ang pera mo dyan. You're just wasting money on that. Hindi ako ipinanganak para lang maghirap. I wasn't born just to suffer. Wala akong alam dyan. Nadamay lang ako. I know nothing about that. I was just implicated. Sundan mo lang ang mapa at hindi ka maliligaw. Just follow the map and you won't get lost. Mauna na kayo at hahabol na lang ako. You go ahead and I'll just catch up with you.